What's going on, people? It's your boy Double C the Don Folks, Nasty like chillin'. About to do a little recording real quick. One of my artists came through, dropped his verse, and I just got to come through, finish up, do some pause on the songs we did last year. It's hard being good, but we make it look easy. This is studio, by the way. I mean, it is also my room, so don't get it twisted, man. Don't listen to everything you see on TV. You know what I'm saying? It ain't all about that. But I'm about to drop this verse. That's how I do it when I'm in the studio. Drink a couple beers, you know, chill out. Alright, let's get to it. Welcome everybody to the show. I'm Double, Rock State Icy, I'm Barney, Rubble. Yes, I'm the coach, call plays, no huddle. Time to call an option, retract, rebuttal. Step fresh in the club, I'm swagging and surfing. Yeah, I ball hard like Jordan and Irvin. Double C the Don, spit sick like the swine flu. So sick with it that I must remind you it's time to grind to this. Don, that's the bomb, like wax I shine you. Double C the Don, I'm the shit, yes, literally. How many rappers you know that used to live in Italy? It's hard being good, but we make it look easy. My flow's intoxicating, making you queasy, believe me. 3D, I put the HD in TV. I'm leaving all these girls sleeping. And all I gotta do is drop the hook real quick so you guys can get a feel. Get a little feel. And like I said one time through, we don't play no games, man. You know what I'm saying? People will take them multiple takes to do something, man. If you can't get it right in the studio, man, what you gonna get on stage and do? You know what I'm saying? It's a little ridiculous sometimes, man. I've had artists come sit in the studio for like 4 hours and we be talking about nothing. So, I'm gonna drop this hook real quick. It's hard being good, but we make it look easy. Double C the Don and that nigga E Beezy from Seattle to Florida. Nigga, we blowing that dro. We jump fresh. What you think I gave his cash for? And that's done. Done. And what I'm going to do is what I always do. Is go ahead and drop this for you, and you can get a feel what the full song sound like. Like I say, the song was pretty much already done, so you know, mix down is gonna take like minutes, literally minutes. I've been doing this for years, man, 10, 15 years, and it's all the same. It really is, man. But it's just about knowing what you're doing, man. If you know what you're doing, you can use any equipment. I'm not using Pro Tools right now. I'm using Kool-Aid. I don't have a Mac. I'm using Windows. This ain't no 20,000 mic, more like 500. You know what I'm saying? It's not no soundproof booth, as you can see in my room. I woke up this morning, rolled over, and hit record pretty much. So, you know what I'm saying? You just got to do what you do. It's not really a money issue. It's a education issue. You know what I'm saying? You got to know what you're doing. But if you know what you're doing, you can get shit like this. And this is the final result right here. About to crank it up. Crank it up and do a little spring cleaning. I gotta clean something in this house. But I'll let you guys check it out.
Welcome everybody to the show. I'm Double, Rock State Icy, I'm Barney, Rubble. Yes, I'm the coach, call plays, no huddle. Time to call an option, retract, rebuttal. Step fresh in the club, I'm swagging and surfing. Yeah, I ball hard like Jordan and Irvin. Double C the Don, spit sick like the swine flu. So sick that I must remind you it's time to grind to this. Don, that's a bomb like wax I shine you. Double C the Don, I'm the shit, literally. How many rappers you know they used to live in Italy? It's hard being good, but I make it look easy. I'm making you queasy. 3D, I put the HD in TV. I'm leaving all these girls sleepy. It's hard being good, but we make it look easy. Double C the Don and that nigga easy. From Seattle to Florida, nigga, we blowing that dro. We jump fresh. What you think I gave us cash for? It's hard being good.
Yeah.
Double C the Don and that nigga easy. Nigga, we blowing that dro. We jump fresh. What you think I gave us cash for? summer or a hot ass winter. Make no sense like running a race, not trying to be the winner. She was a beginner, I was the first to get in her. Since then, a bunch of ball players, rappers, and tenors. My niggas ran the rock like R2's Penner. Me, I go green like March 17. Buzz on me, but I'm nicer than your teacher. Dick hurt to the left, crooked like a preacher. Props down low, still hiding from the reaper, cause he still looking for me. A bitch that can't fuck, all she can do is for me. Or maybe she can spoil me, I hope she can't afford me. Niggas say I'm lame, but why the hoes still adore me? Man, I've been an asshole, already passed go, but then collect $200 worth of fucking cash flow. Blowing on the Cuban chicks, rolling like Castro Fidel. Nigga, it's hard being good, but we make it look easy. Never see the gun and that nigga easy. Yeah, the nigga, we blowing that dro. We jump fresh, what you think I gave a cash for? It's hard being good, but we make it look easy. Never see the gun and that nigga easy. Yeah, the nigga, we blowing that dro. We jump fresh, what you think I gave a cash for? Nigga, and my chick, I'm just trying to get my keys up and keep these hoes on their knees like they was praying to Jesus. They need us, listen to worship and believe us. Me, I'm just a cheater, and you can't be my keeper. Old school, acting like the days before Beaver. She took a bad bitch and somebody come and relieve her. Take her off the mound. Matter of fact, man, she's a dog-ass bitch, so take her back to the pound. Let her ass run around with the rest of the mutts. So drop her off on the track and let her mingle with sluts. Stick her in her fucking all on the face, and I ain't said that again.
Yo, amazing grace, like amazing grace, I catch the case again. Play it to a pimp, baby, why pretend? I can sell with donkey, nothing but some men. And yeah, hard in the paint like Kobe with his fins. So why pretend? I'm the best, yes. I smoke trees, she sucks me for stress. I'm so right, I got a left on my chest. Double seated down, play positions like it's chess.
Make it look easy. Double seated down, and that nigga easy. Yeah, nigga, we blowing that dro. We jump fresh, what you think I gave a cash for? It's hard being good, but we make it look easy. Double seated down, and that nigga easy. Yeah, nigga, we blowing that dro. We jump fresh, what you think I gave a cash for?
And that's it. That's how we get down. Double P. Back A Production. Holla at me. We do this all day and all night.